Hello, my LinkedIn family. Welcome back to another LinkedIn training. So let me ask you this. Have you ever posed a question on LinkedIn, something similar to how can I win more clients or how can I attract more business on LinkedIn? And someone just said to you, well, you just need to stand out above the noise. Well, of course, you know that, right? But how do you do that? So today I'm going to share with you how you can stand out as an authority and an expert in your field simply by inserting yourself into conversations that are already taking place around your expertise. So let's go up to the search bar and we're going to choose millennial. So you're a millennial expert right now, right? If you notice the way I spelled it, it's not spelled the traditional way, but you'll see why. So then we're going to go into the content area and we're going to find content that relates to who's talking about millennials. Here is a great example, actually. And you can read down, you can take your time and read it. But what you're going to do is you're going to read this really, really quickly. It's given advice, I'm sure. You'll like it, and then you're going to comment on it. You're not just going to comment, I agree, or this is cool, or great insight. You're going to lend your expertise. What have you done to help millennials? How are you able to get into organizations and teach them how to relate to millennials? Give a tip or two and share your insight as you engage in conversations. And all you have to do is, I say, take 10 minutes a day, go down the list, find another piece of content, and just start engaging. You never know who you're going to meet in those conversations. Chat soon.